Good afternoon. My name is Dionne Vincent, and my adult educator I want to present today is Malcolm Knowles. I chose him because I believe he's central and critical to the adult learning field. His important work includes theory on how adults learn and is credited for the term andragogy. His theories and or assumptions are that adults are self-directed. They can take responsibilities for their own learning. They need to know why they learn, and that they bring a wealth of knowledge to the classroom through their experience. Through their experiences. He believes that they are responsible. His impact on the adult education field is a great one. Educators as well as learners can apply some of his theories, which involve doing self-directed work, keeping the focus of the learning and or teaching on the learner rather than on the instructor, and really honing in on the experience the learner is having and build course lessons based on this. So I believe with all that, the learner will have a more positive experience because they are able to pace themselves. They're able to decide what's best for them, what learning path they should take for them, and the instructor is basically building lessons based on the learner. So that's basically what I want to present for Matthew Knowles. Thank you.